Mastering power of positive feedback. Organizations obsess over operational excellence to harness the addictive power of positive feedback. Why do organizations strive to achieve operational excellence, and what is its precise definition in the context of the power of positive feedback, which enables continuous improvement and drives business success? Organizations strive to achieve operational excellence because it allows them to optimize their performance, achieve efficiency, and maximize their productivity. Operational excellence is a state of achievement where every aspect of an organization's operations is running at its best, and all its resources are being utilized to their fullest potential. In the context of the power of positive feedback, operational excellence is about creating an environment where continuous improvement is encouraged, and every employee is empowered to contribute to the improvement process. The concept of operational excellence is built on the principles of continuous improvement, where an organization seeks to improve its processes, products, and services by leveraging the collective knowledge and experience of its employees. This is achieved through the power of positive feedback, where employees are encouraged to share their thoughts, ideas, and suggestions on how to improve the organization's operations. The power of positive feedback creates a culture of openness, transparency, and trust, where employees feel valued, respected, and empowered to contribute to the improvement process. In this context, operational excellence is defined as the ability of an organization to consistently deliver high-quality products and services, while continuously improving its processes, reducing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. It requires a relentless focus on improvement, a commitment to excellence, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. Operational excellence is not a one-time achievement, but rather a continuous journey of improvement, where organizations strive to get better every day. The power of positive feedback plays a crucial role in achieving operational excellence by providing a platform for employees to share their ideas, suggestions, and feedback. This feedback is then used to identify areas of improvement, develop solutions, and implement changes that enhance the organization's operations. The power of positive feedback also helps to create a culture of accountability, where employees are encouraged to take ownership of their work and are held responsible for the outcomes. In an organization that has achieved operational excellence, every employee is aware of their role in the improvement process and is empowered to make decisions that drive improvement. They are also aware of the organization's goals, objectives, and key performance indicators, KPIs, and are working towards achieving them. The organization's processes are streamlined, efficient, and effective, with clear roles and responsibilities defined for each employee. Operational excellence also requires a strong focus on customer satisfaction, where the organization strives to understand its customers' needs, expectations, and preferences. This is achieved through regular feedback, surveys, and other forms of customer engagement, which helps the organization to identify areas of improvement and develop solutions that meet its customers' needs. In addition, operational excellence requires a strong leadership commitment, where leaders set the tone for the organization's culture and provide the vision, direction, and resources needed to drive improvement. Leaders must also be willing to challenge the status quo and encourage experimentation, innovation, and calculated risk-taking. The benefits of achieving operational excellence are numerous and include improved productivity, efficiency, and quality, reduced costs, enhanced customer satisfaction, and increased competitiveness. Organizations that have achieved operational excellence are better equipped to respond to changes in the market and are more resilient in the face of adversity. In conclusion, operational excellence is a state of achievement where an organization's operations are running at their best, and all its resources are being utilized to their fullest potential. The power of positive feedback plays a crucial role in achieving operational excellence by providing a platform for employees to share their ideas, suggestions, and feedback, and driving continuous improvement. It is a continuous journey of improvement, where organizations strive to get better every day by leveraging the collective knowledge and experience of their employees and a relentless focus on improvement, customer satisfaction, and leadership commitment. In the pursuit of operational excellence, I've had the privilege of working with numerous organizations, each with its unique set of challenges and opportunities. One particular case that comes to mind is a mid-sized manufacturing firm. Let's call it Precision Machining Incorporated, PMI. PMI's leadership team was determined to take their operations to the next level, but they weren't quite sure where to start or how to sustain the momentum. As I began working with PMI, I was struck by the palpable sense of frustration and disillusionment among the employees. Morale was low, and people seemed disconnected from the company's goals and vision. The leadership team, while well-intentioned, was struggling to articulate a clear direction, and their attempts at improvement initiatives were met with skepticism by the workforce. My first instinct was to try to understand the nuances of the organization, to get a feel for the underlying dynamics that were driving the behavior and attitudes of the employees. I spent countless hours listening to their stories, observing their daily routines, and engaging in open-ended conversations. What emerged was a sense of distrust and lack of empowerment among the workforce. They felt micromanaged, and their ideas and suggestions were consistently dismissed or ignored. It was clear that PMI needed to create an environment where employees felt valued, heard, and empowered to take ownership of their work. I suggested that they establish a regular feedback loop, where employees could share their thoughts and ideas on how to improve operations, and receive constructive feedback in return. This would help build trust, foster a sense of accountability, and encourage collaboration across departments. The leadership team was hesitant at first, fearing that opening the floodgates to feedback would create chaos and slow down production. But I assured them that, with the right approach, it would have the opposite effect. We worked together to design a simple, yet effective feedback mechanism, which included regular town hall meetings, anonymous suggestion boxes, and one-on-one coaching sessions. The results were nothing short of remarkable. Employees began to feel seen and heard, and their ideas started to flow. One production line worker suggested a simple modification to the manufacturing process, which ended up reducing waste by 15%. A quality control inspector proposed a new quality metric, which improved customer satisfaction ratings by 20%. The feedback loop had sparked a sense of ownership and responsibility among the employees, and their contributions were starting to pay off. However, the journey wasn't without its setbacks. There were times when the feedback was brutal, and it required a great deal of effort and emotional resilience on the part of the leadership team to navigate the criticism. There were moments when they felt like giving up, but they persevered, using the feedback as an opportunity to grow and learn. As I looked back on our journey together, I realized that the power of positive feedback had been the catalyst for PMI's transformation. By creating an environment where employees felt valued and empowered, we had unleashed a wave of creativity, innovation, and continuous improvement. The feedback loop had become a self-reinforcing cycle, driving business success and operational excellence. Throughout this process, I was reminded of the importance of staying grounded in the social context of the organization. It's easy to get caught up in abstract concepts and theoretical frameworks, but at the end of the day, it's the human dynamics that make or break an organization. By tuning into the nuances of the organization and staying attuned to the emotions and concerns of its people, we were able to craft a solution that was tailored to PMI's unique needs and circumstances. In the end, PMI's leadership team had learned a valuable lesson: that operational excellence is not just about streamlining processes or reducing waste, but about creating an environment where people can thrive, grow, and contribute their best. And I too had learned a valuable lesson: that the power of positive feedback, when wielded with empathy and humility, can be a transformative force for good.